Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not too much to do about Corel Draw, but it will help you in any program. But when you're working with Corel Draw, if you're like me, you have multiple programs running, emails, Corel Draw. But if you will go and hold down the Alt key and then hit your tab key, it comes up this window. And the one in the center is an email. And I'm just going to hit the control key again. And I'm going to go back to that Corel. Hold down the Alt key and the tab and just cursor through. And I want to go to this email up here. And voila, it opens my email. Just a little bit of tidbit. I got this from the Insight magazine, published by the APA, the Awards and Personalization Association, that I'm a member of, and they do a little magazine. It's got some helpful tips in it all the time, and this is one I had not heard of. Hope that helped you a little bit. Thank you for watching.